Hi guys, how are you all? I hope all are safe and doing good. In this video, I'm going to discuss about order by and are not operators. So we have two tables, that is customers and orders. I will show the information which are present in customers and orders table. Select star from customers. We are using star for selecting all the columns in customers table, and also select star for orders. Right? We got all. First, I will implement information present in customers table, this one, and in orders, this one. Right? I will tell you about this order by. See, here we have customer ID, right? But it's in some different order. That is, it's not in ascending order or descending order. This order by keyword is going to use for to implement the data in ascending order or descending order by using some column name, right? So I will I will show you the syntax for this order by keyword. That is, select column name from table name, right? Here we are using some column name to select from some table name, and here we are using order by, to which column we are going to implement this order. That is, here we want to take some column name, ascending order or descending order. It's our wish to specify this ascending order or descending order. If we doesn't specify this ascending and descending order, it's going to implement ascending order only. So this is the syntax for this order by keyword. Now I'm going to implement this ascending order for this customer ID. So here select star from table name customers. See, I'm going to take all the columns from customer table, but I want to order, that is, I want to give some order, ascending order to this column. So, order by this column name, that is customer ID. I'm not going to specify ascending or descending order. So, see, here we got the customer ID in ascending order. See, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. Right? And we want to implement in descending order. So here we have to mention descending order. See, we got in descending order. It's for numerical values, but we want to implement some ascending or descending order for characters. That is, some string values means. So here we are using same way. Select star from customers, order by. What was the column name which were present, which we have to implement some ascending order or descending order? That is customer name. So we will see. When we implement some order by keyword in for some column that presents some string values, so it's going to implement ascending order or descending order by alphabetical way, R S T, right? If we give descending order, that is, it's going to implement in descending order according to alphabetical, right? We can also sort this order by keyword by using two or more columns. That is several columns. That is, I'm going to implement, right, order by customer. First, I'm going to take this customer name, comma. Next, I want to implement some, and also I'm taking customer ID. So how it will work? See, it's going to first implement this ascending order for this customer name. That is, see, here it has been divided for R, S, T, right? By for R we have three names: Raksha, Rama, Rashni. So it's going to implement a second alphabet, that is A. Same. Next, third alphabet K, M, S. So it's going to give ascending order like this. If we have same value, that is we have Sanjay, Sanjay, Tarun, Tarun, right? For this, it's going to give next order by statement. That is next column order by keyword. That is it's going to implement ascending order for customer ID. See here for Sanjay we have 6 7. So it's going to give ascending order for the same names. In this way, it's going to give order by keyword for to implement ascending order or descending order for several columns. And now we are going to take and or not operators. That is, and means when all the conditions are true, right? Or means when either one of the condition is true. Not means we are going to check some conditions, right? Not operation, we are going to use another operators and conditions. It's going to give negative, that is opposite, it is going to give opposite result, that is a negative result or otherwise, right? I will show you syntax for and or not. For and we are going to use select column name from table name, where condition 1, condition 1 and condition 2 and so on. In this way, we can use many conditions. That is, when these all conditions are true, we are going to get those outputs. And in the same way, or also, or, or, right? So I will tell you some example for this and or operators. For and I am going to take some example like select star from customers. Now I am going to take some condition where customer name, that is customer name is equal to Sanjay, right? Sanjay, and customer ID is equal to 6, or we can take 7. We have to write. So customer ID is equal to 7. Right? See, we will see the output. See, we got it's going to take all the columns from customers tables, and where it's going to check customer name, it's equal to Sanjay, yes, and also it's going to take a customer ID as 7. We will get the information. And also we will see or see, we got it's going to get the output whether either the conditions is true. That is, it's going to take if we have customer name Sanjay or if we have customer name 7. See, here we have customer name Sanjay. It's going to take, it's not going to check customer ID, right? It's true. Then it's not going to check this one. It's already true. So that's why it's going to take that output. And also here it's going to take customer ID Sanjay. But customer ID also same. So it's going to take either of the value is true, it's going to take. Now I will show you not operator also. See, it's going to check that is customer name not equal to Sanjay, right? The remaining values are going to display. We can use between operator, like operator for this not also, and also in operator. Okay, I will show customer ID not in 3, comma 5, comma 7. See. The values which we have 3, 5, 7 as customer ID, it's not going to display. It's going to display other than the values, right? In this way, we are going to use this and or not operations.